Everybody, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to be showing you one of the basics of OBS Studio of adding audio. So first I'm going to go to OBS Studio. Okay. And I have another scene. I have another scene for recording, but here I'm going to show you how to add audio. So you can see it says mic aux over here, microphone and aux. That's showing this bar showing the input of what my microphone's picking up, and it's pretty good because that means since it's in the yellow, it's not in the red, which means it's not going to blow your ears off, and that's a good sign when you're recording because you don't want to blow it out into the red. I'm going to show you how to add a microphone here. So you want to go to settings, and then you want to hit audio, and then you can see MIG auxiliary audio. You can select your microphone. This is my microphone, but if you're using built-in microphone or if you have a different microphone, it'll have a different name, but I'm using this microphone. I can hit OK. I know some people have this disabled because on their computers it causes it to be all choppy. So if you want to disable this, go back to settings, go to audio, you can hit disabled. And then if you want to add an audio input in the sources menu, right here, and this isn't on, you can hit add and hit audio input capture. You can rename it if you wish, hit OK. And then you can select your microphone. I'll use my computer's built-in microphone. And then you can see here in audio input, it's not doing anything because I have not set the microphone, because I have a microphone currently open and I cannot use two microphones. So if I was to disable this, it would work up here. But since I'm not going to do that, because if I turn off my microphone here, I won't be able to record this video. So you can delete that. So I'm going to delete that. So that's some of the basics of audio in OBS Studio. And now I'm going to show you how to apply filters. So I'm going to add audio input. I'm going to hit OK. I'm going to hit this microphone. And then if you want, I'm going to show you how to add filters. So you want to go to filters, shrink this down, hit plus, and you can choose from these filters. I'm going to tell you what most of these do. So then you can hit noise suppression. I can't demonstrate these for you right now because I'm recording with another microphone. But what noise suppression does is it will filter out any like static noises, like your computer's fans, heaters, your air conditioning, and stuff. So that will keep around background noises, and your microphone will go dead silent. And then the next one I'm going to talk about is noise gate. And what this does is it deletes background noise like people talking or screaming or footsteps or pen taps in your keyboard. So that's another useful setting. Another one that's good to have is a 3-band equalizer. What this does is you can change it to change the notes of the microphone. So like if you want your microphone doesn't catch as much mid, you can turn that up. If you want it to catch more high notes, you can turn it up. If you want more low, you can turn it up, and then you can kind of adjust that with your voice. I personally don't use that, but I use a plugin called by Marple GQ, and you hit VST plugin, or this plugin. I'm going to show you how to download it in a minute. And then you hit Marple GEQ, open plugin interface, and then this is basically just a more advanced version of the 3-band equalizer. If you want to download this plugin, go to Google Chrome. I'm going to open up a new window. And then I'm going to full screen it. You're going to want to type in Marble GQ plugin. Sorry about my spelling. Get this. And you get this graphic equalizer. Then you can hit download for whatever version you have. Then it will download up here. Then you can run the exe. It will be installed for you. Then you can do what I did, add the plugin. Okay. So that's a very nice plugin to have during audio. And an expander is basically a fancy limiter. An expander is nice because then you can change these so that if I talk really loudly, like this, it won't go into the red. If I talk really quietly, it will boost my voice, you see? So that is a very good thing to have. And there are other videos about how to adjust this in the future, how to adjust this to make it a bit more accurate for you. But there are other videos about that. Maybe I'll make a video about it. But this is another good filter to have. The limiter is basically a more simple version of a threshold. Well, there you have it. Those are some of the best audio settings I use for recording in OBS. And it's really great and it works so well. And I just love it. OBS is like the best recording software. I'm recording my audio right now, but I also am recording a screen capture here, and I'll show you in another video, OBS Basics Part 2, on how to do video in OBS. Well, thanks for watching. If you want more content on OBS and other PC tips and tricks and reviews, please subscribe, and it helps. And if you subscribe, you'll actually always get the latest updates on OBS and computer tips and news. And that is really cool, being able to know about all that stuff. So yeah, subscribe and you'll get all the information you need. Well, thanks again, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye!